Good morning, brothers and sisters of Leaf. How are you doing this morning? Today I'm doing one I just did the other day. Factory Tour Blend Maduro by Perdomo. Excuse me. Get my ash can out. What cigar are you smoking today? Now, I said the other day that I like this Maduro, uh, and it's not that I didn't have anything else to smoke. It was This was the first one I picked up that the humidity level in the stick was good. I try to get my cigars to burn even as possible. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but normally with a Perdomo it corrects itself. Uh, Hopefully today found you to be well. Uh, I just got back from taking my wife to work. I'll be going to the gym shortly after the video posts. Uh, and try and get my workout in. I need to start strengthening the muscles in my back, and haven't had much luck doing that. The factory tour blend, uh, those were bought from Famous Smoke Shop in Easton, PA. FamousSmokeShop.com or FamousSmoke.com. Uh, and then the coffee I paired it up with was the Hawaiian Islands blend by Papa Nicholas Coffee Company. If you would, hit that subscribe button down there. Uh, it's not a hard thing to do. It won't shock you. Uh, and every subscribe I get helps get me towards my goal of 304 subscribers. Uh, and I've got a giveaway that I'll be doing whenever we get to the 304 subscribers. Uh, but like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you would. Uh, they may hate you for it, but sometimes things happen. Uh, if you get a chance, the factory tour blend, try them. Uh, I've had all three. I really like them. Uh, they're not overly strong. They're not harsh. Uh, It's really good on the palate with a cup of coffee. Uh, I'd almost have to say that the factory tour blend is right up there, 1, 2, 3 with the lot 23, uh, the Perdomo frescoes, the Nick sticks. Yeah, the 1, 2, and 3. I mean, it's right in there. I know I mentioned 4, but those 4 are in my top 3. Yeah, I said it. Anyway, stay blessed, stay smoky, and we'll see you tomorrow.